Good morning, students. Class 11, chapter 1, we will do some numericals today. Okay. So first numerical is, look at first numerical is, how many moles of sulfur are present in its 107.1 gram? कितने मोल्स सल्फर के प्रेजेंट है 107.1 ग्राम ऑफ सल्फर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट एटॉमिक वेट ऑफ सल्फर. एटॉमिक weight of sulfur is 32, correct, and it is found acid. So 32 multiplied by, it is found in the molecular form. You know about the sulfur is found in the molecular form acid. So we will multiply 32 by 8, 256 gram. Okay, this is the molecular weight of sulfur, equal to 256 gram. Okay, now he is asking about the how many moles of sulfur are present in its 107 gram. We have the formula small n is equal to small m upon capital M. M is given mass and capital M is molecular mass. Okay, so n is equal to small m, given mass is 107.1 and molecular mass 107.1 gram, and molecular mass will be equal to 256 gram. So we will divide 107.1 divided by 256 and answer will be, you will get answer is 0.418 okay, mole, and you will write the unit moles. This is the answer. Very simple answer. You can calculate it. You will get the answer 0.418 only by using the simple formula small n is equal to small m upon capital M. You will put the value of small m, mass, given mass of the substance, and it is divided by its molecular mass. Okay, first numerical I think you have understood. Now we will go on the second question. Okay, second question is, okay, question number second. Calculate the number of moles of sodium in 5.75 gram. 5.75 grams. Okay. Answer or solution. You have to calculate the number of moles. You have to find out the moles. So you have formula small n is equal to small m upon capital M. Small m is given mass of substance or element, and m is atomic mass or molar mass, molecular mass. And you know given mass of Na will be equal to 5.75 grams, right? And capital M, it means atomic mass of sodium is 23. So you have to divide 5.75 divided by 23 and you will get the number of moles present in sodium. How much sodium? 5.75 grams of sodium. So you will calculate, you have to calculate it and you will get the answer 0.25 mole. 0.25 mole. Do yourself, you can calculate this by dividing given mass by atomic mass of sodium. One thing you have to remember, that in case of atom you have to write here atomic mass And if you are calculating the molecular mass in case of, you have to calculate molecular mass in case of molecule. You remember this, okay? And if a compound is given to you, then you have to calculate its formula mass, okay? So and you have to put the value of formula mass of sodium in place of capital M. ओके, कैपिटल एम की जगह यदि कोई कंपाउंड दिया हुआ है तो हमें फॉर्मूला मास पुट करना है, रखना है उसकी वैल्यू. और यदि एटम दिया हुआ है, जैसे कि सोडियम पोटेशियम एटम दिया हुआ है, तो उसका एटॉमिक मास एम की जगह रखना है. और यदि कोई मॉलिक्यूल दे रखा है, सपोज करो H2O है, तो उसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास आपको यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट करनी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. Okay, question number third is, how many moles of mercury? How many moles of mercury will be present in its 1 liter volume? In its 1 liter volume. Okay, the density of mercury is 13.6 gram per ml. Okay, this is given to you. Density of mercury is given to you, and he wants to calculate. You have to calculate how many moles of mercury present in its 1 liter. First of all, we use only grams, correct, in place of kilogram. So we will use the ml in place of liter. So we have to change. Yes, so we have to change the liter into ml, and density is given. So first of all, we have to calculate moles. So solution is number of moles is equal to small m upon capital M. M is given mass, and m is molecular mass or atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass of mercury is Hg is 200 gram, correct? Now m is not given to you, given mass is not given to you. Okay, mass we have to calculate, and density is given. Only density is given. So first of all, we have to give the value. We have to calculate the value of small m. Okay. So small m. How will we calculate the mass of? We know the formula. D is equal to m upon v. Therefore, m is equal to d into v. Density is given. V is given. Density is given 13.6. 13.6 multiplied by volume. 1 liter, but we will use the ml in place of liter because we are using the gram per ml. This is the gram per ml, so we have to change the liter into ml. So we will use the liter. 1 liter will be equal to 1000 ml. Then answer will be, we get the answer 13600 gram. Correct? This is the mass. Now small n will be equal to, small m क्या आया है, what will you get? 13600 divided by 200, and answer will be 68 moles. Okay, this is the answer, 68 moles. Okay, next question, question number 4. calculate the total number of number of protons present in 20 gram of calcium carbonate. Okay, this is the question. Okay, we have the formula. First we will write the formula. First, small n is equal to small m upon capital M, and we will change, because since small n is equal to number of particles upon Avogadro number, therefore we will put the value of small n here. So n upon Na is equal to small m or capital M. Therefore small n, number of particles, number of molecules, will be equal to small m upon capital M multiplied by Avogadro. यहाँ multiply हो क्या आ जाएगा, multiply Avogadro number, and small m is given, therefore n is equal to small m is given 20 gram. So we will substitute the value of small m here, 20 upon capital M, molecular mass of CaCO3, molar mass of CaCO3 will be equal to Ca atomic mass is 40, carbon atomic mass is 12, oxygen 16 multiplied by 3, therefore 40 plus 12 plus 48, therefore this is the answer 0. Then this is gram, 100 gram. Yes, so 100 gram. So small m will be equal to, this is the small m, m is equal to 100. So we will divide the 20 by 100 multiplied by Avogadro number is Na will be equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Answer will be get. Okay, so answer you will get 12.044 multiplied by 10 raised to power 22 molecules of CaCO3. Correct? अब उसने he is asking about the calculate of number of protons. How many protons? Protons in 20 gram. 20 gram contains how many molecules? 12.044 into 22 molecules of CaCO3. So in one molecule, how many protons it contains? So number of protons present in one molecule of CaCO3. You know about atomic number of any element will be equal to number of protons present in it. Correct? ये हमने 9th क्लास से पढ़ रखा है कि कैल्शियम है, जैसे सपोज कैल्शियम है, कैल्शियम एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ कैल्शियम का जो है जैसे है 20, तो नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन द कैल्शियम इज 20. करेक्ट? एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स प्रेजेंट इन इट्स एटम. करेक्ट? सो न्यूक्लियस. Okay, so one molecule of CaCO3 contains how many protons? Ca contains 20 protons and 20 electrons because its atomic number is 20. Carbon 6, correct? Plus oxygen 8, correct? Or 8 into 3, correct? How many protons? 20 plus 6 plus 24. 50 protons. 50 protons are present in one molecule of CaCO3. So how many molecules are present in 20 gram? 12.00 molecules will contain number of protons present in 12.044 into 10 raised to power 22 molecules of CaCO3 will be equal to 50 into 12.044 into 10 raised to power 22. And you will calculate this question, or you will calculate the values and you will get the answer. In this way, you can calculate the number of protons present in given mass of any compound, correct? And we will calculate the answer will be, you get 50 into, right, 6.02 into 10 raised to power 24 protons. Okay, इतने protons present होंगे. Okay, next point I am taking mass percentage today. Okay, mass percentage, but next time we will continue it. Okay, thank you, goodbye, take care.